If you are interested in learning how to make this blue alcohol ink tumbler, keep watching. Here are the supplies we will be using for this tutorial. I will list each item in the description box below. After I place my spray painted 20-ounce Ozark Trail tumbler on the cup turner, I mix my epoxy equal parts of part A and part B. I used about 10 mLs of part A and part B to make a total of 20 mLs. Then I just take my popsicle stick and just mix it until it's clear. I'm not too worried about the bubbles at this point because I'm just going to take my heat gun to heat up the epoxy just for a very short time to pop some of the bubbles. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave a comment. Once the epoxy is mixed, I'm going to take my gloved finger and rub the epoxy all over the cup. You want to make sure to place a good amount on the tumbler, making sure to get the bottom and the rim of the cup. Now I'm taking my blue alcohol ink, which is AQUAMARINE from HOLTZ, and I'm shaking it up and then placing random drops on the cup. You will probably not see it showing up when you do it, but that is where the white alcohol ink comes in. Now I'm taking my white alcohol ink by PINATA in the color BLANCO and doing the same thing. Eventually the colors will mix up together while the cup is turning. I had missed part of the cup, so now I'm going back with the two previous colors and adding them in. Then I take my alcohol ink from PINATA in the color BAJA blue to add some depth to the cup. I eventually keep going back to the other alcohol inks and adding into the cup until it is to my liking. This was a last minute idea, but I decided to take some blue glitter, very little, and just sprinkle it in random spots on the cup. It was probably a couple of pinches of glitter that I used. Just let this spin for about 4 hours and I turn off the turner and let it sit overnight for about 8 hours and it's done. There's no need for another coat of epoxy unless you are planning to add a decal on top of it. If you do, then you will need another 8 hours for the epoxy to dry. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any ideas of what you want to see next, please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.